Okay, no, let's try that again. Hi, I am lying down in a pile of clothes because my mom is pissed at me. Yeah. So I've been taking this period of my life where I need to stay at home as an opportunity to cleanse what is going on in my closet. So this is what my closet looks like. It looks really clean from the outside. Okay, so I share this closet with my mom. So I own these cabinets, and honey, when you open them, it's really embarrassing. And my mom has been telling me to please fix my closet for the longest time. I almost always never do it. This isn't even my entire closet yet. Just so you know, this area back here, this is not my room, okay? I'm kind of just like renting this room because my sister is in the US and I don't even have my own room. So as I said, I share the closet with my mother. I transferred all of the clothes from that closet into here. I think I'll split it into 3 groups. So the first part mostly consists of tops and skirts, and the others are gonna be pants and other stuff like jacket and dresses and all that shebang. I'm gonna be separating them into categories. So my mom would make like labels. She would like handwrite a bunch of labels to like categorize all of the clothes. I would never follow them. Like I would just like put tops there, bottoms there, all that stuff. So it really doesn't work for me. I'm gonna make some labels that I actually like and I think is more practical to what I'm gonna be using when I actually do have to plan an outfit. I have a label maker too, so I'm gonna be using that one. I'm gonna be separating these into categories on the bed and then move some of them on the couch. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a great time. Probably also be taking some time lapses on my phone. You guys like my outfit, by the way? It's like I'm going to sleep but also make it fashion. Pajama couture. So I've written a bunch of categories. So we have extra pru tops. I'm thinking those are anything that are like long sleeved, anything that's not cropped. And then this pru tops is like shirts that aren't cropped, like some just normal shirts and collared shirts and all of that stuff. And then we have slutty tops, which is probably anything that's cropped and like a shirt or something, a cropped shirt, a cropped blouse. And then extra slutty tops is gonna be like some things that I rarely wear, like sleeveless stuff, like spaghetti straps and all that stuff. I've decided to add another category, which is F-boy tops, because I realized like the amount of oversized like man tops that I own, and I think it deserved like another category. So I don't really know how my mom is gonna feel about those labels if she ever sees them. I hope she doesn't see them and reads them because she might get upset, but that's okay. That's my mood. It's either I'm a slut today or I'm a virgin today. So is this problematic? Are people gonna get offended? I'm sorry. That's really just... Let's go, baby. Not mine. I decided to make a separate category for things that I'm going to still thrift flip. So I'm gonna make like a new pile right over there. So I made 3 additional piles. One is for clothes that I would wear around the house or maybe when I work out, if I actually do work out. And then a pile of clothes where so hard to say all the time. Thrift flip clothes that I'm still yet to like fix and alter and stuff. And then stuff that are not mine, either they just got lost in the laundry or I'm gonna be giving them away for donation or I'm gonna be throwing them away. So that is gonna be evaluated later. I have so much clothes and I'm only just now realizing how many outfits I can actually create. I seriously need to start digging deeper because I didn't get to like pick outfits very well because all of them were like just shoved into, I don't know, oblivion, to another dimension. But now I got them back from the dimension and these clothes are nice. I don't own this one though. I should probably return them. Look at this wonderful, beautiful polka dotted top. I bought this for the sheer reason that it was the day before the new year, and there's a saying that you should dress in polka dots or stripes because it would mean bills and coins and you're gonna be rich the next year. And I never really wore it other than that occasion, and I can't be wearing the same polka dot. Maybe I'll need it for like a disco costume or something. I don't know. Let's just keep it. Shout out to Miggy because I'm gonna be taking down this photo over here of my sister because he keeps saying that it's ruining the shot. There's your shout out. He's been asking for a shout out for like weeks now, despite the fact that there's an entire video that's literally all about him on my channel. Please go follow him. I hope your beef about that picture is resolved now. What is this? What is this? What looks like something Tori would wear in Victoria Justice. Bling bling. Michael Jackson? Yes? Never gonna wear it. Never. Literally never. Oh my god. This is a jacket my ex-boyfriend gave me. Okay. This is Versace. Is this Versace? It's Versace! Why am I not wearing this? I'm gonna wear this. I feel like Kim Possible. Beat me if you want to reach me. And not because it's Versace or anything. I'm not after the brand. Okay, I have this for some reason. I don't even do ballet. Am I gonna keep this shirt? I am so funny. I don't even buy these clothes. These are all hand-me-downs. I have two sisters, a mom, other people. I really don't buy anything for myself other than my thrifts. If you know Rhea, was in the drive-thru video, but her dad, hi Richard, but like, I hope he's not watching this because he gave so much of his shirts to Rian, and then Rian has so much dad shirts already that she gave me a lot of them. So now I just have a collection of my friends' dad's shirts. It just seems strange in many ways. Don't fall. Prude shirts. This is a Calvin Klein jacket. I hate this. Should I get rid of this? The reason why I don't want to throw it away because I know it's Calvin Klein, but like I'm kind of not into it. It looks a little too Justin Bieber for me. I think I'll crop it and then I'll turn it into a slutty top. Beautiful. The prude tops are with the F-boy tops. That makes sense. This is actually really easy. I don't know why I kept putting this off. Look at all the shorts I have. I don't even wear shorts. Okay, batch number 2 and batch number 3. Okay. First of all, I would just like to say this video is sponsored by... No, I'm gonna talk about coronavirus. I don't want every single video of mine to be in your face, all political. And sometimes people just want to be entertained. However, that's not always the case here, baby. Sometimes you gotta learn about stuff. And one of those stuff is what is going on right now. What is going on? I would just like to point out a bunch of things
that is going on right now.
This is a great time for us to check our privilege. So I have listed a bunch of reasons why people are angry. And the thing is, people should be angry. Don't want that skirt anymore. Of course, like security is important. People should be patrolling. But the thing is, there's so much abuse of power. Take this video for example.
Lahat ng lalabas ng walang oras, babarili na. Bakit? Oras pa ngayon? Yan ba dapat yung gamitin ngayon? Takinan nyo, matigas ulo mo. Umuwi ka! Umuwi ka!
Sumunod kayo sa procedure.
Lalabas kayo, kala nyo, pasis yung quarantine pass.
what that enforcer was saying is, what do you think of this quarantine pass? You think it's some kind of pass? It's really just power tripping, and it's not okay. And there are so much more of these cases. There's this old homeless lady who got arrested for disobedience to authority. These people who apparently disobeyed curfew, and now they're locked up in a cage together. Where's the social distancing there? This guy doing laundry outside, and then suddenly an officer started hitting him. There's also an enforcer that forced somebody to lie down in a coffin as a punishment. Officers would literally beat people in the back. A cop who forced a frontliner to pay him 5,000 pesos because he was apparently violating social distancing rules, when in fact he was just riding a motorcycle with his brother who is also a frontliner. Residents also started rallying because of the lack of food supplies, and then they were all detained. A man was also shot dead for disrupting quarantine controlled checkpoint. A teacher and her son were arrested because of a provoking Facebook post speaking out about everything. Oh my god, I hope I don't get arrested. That would really suck. And even worse, female detainees were being raped. There's an entire thread about this. I'll link it down below in case you guys want to see it. I agree that people should stay home and they should follow the repercussions to prevent the spread of the virus. And so people who have no work, no paid jobs, like some of them, they literally have no food on the table if they don't work. Some people can work from home. Some people are construction workers. Do you think they can make a house at home? And some people don't understand that. You can't just tell people to stay indoors, tell them that they're idiots and not following the rules, that they're ignorant. But the thing is, you're the one who's being ignorant because you have no idea what their situation is. You know, you probably never experienced having a life where you have nothing to eat, like absolutely zero food, but they have. And that is their reality. And it's okay to feel scared, but don't let your fear get in the way of you empathizing with another human being. But if you want to help, I do have links below. Think of it like if you donate, like usually you would spend so much money on food, on makeup, on something. It's a small sacrifice. Think of donation as your protection. It's your effort to keep yourself healthy, because if you protect the frontliners, if you protect street dwellers, it's less likely for you to get infected. Think of it like you're paying for your protection. It is helpful to stay indoors. Our physical self should be indoors, but our empathy and our understanding, our heart, our brain should be outdoors. So I'm done. I don't want them anymore. So is this pile. This pile is also I don't want you anymore. And it's already nighttime. Do you see these? Do you see these? Do you see how beautiful these piles are? I am so good. Today is day 2 of my closet cleanup. Now I'm surrounded by all of my clothes I wear indoors. I also got too lazy to dress up, so I'm just wearing an oversized t-shirt. I look like I just had some good sleep. So I'm gonna get rid of a lot of these stuff because this is too much. Nobody needs this much house clothes. Keep this, but I know that it's gonna give me armpit stains. There's a reason why people keep giving stuff to me, and it's not because they love me, it's because they just want to get rid of it. I wore this top literally once and never wore it again, and I feel like I had a phase where I just didn't wear anything else but black clothes. Not because I'm like emo or anything, but mostly just because I was too lazy to think of outfits before, and now that's just not me anymore. Period. Usually people who do this only like take one day to do it, but then this is my second day because yesterday I kind of got distracted at some point and just started doing TikToks. Somebody actually made like a infographic on how to know if you should throw it out or not. If you haven't worn it in like 6 months or something, then you should probably throw it away. I found this shirt. Okay, look at this. And I would wear this shirt so much before. Wait, I'm throwing this away, by the way. I had like a group of friends, like the 3 of us made like a YouTube channel, and then we would like film videos, but like I already privated it. It's very embarrassing. But like I remember that was the shirt that I was wearing, and I looked so ugly. Wow, clothes are such a time capsule, TBH. Like that's crazy, love.
Oh, she naughty and nice. Bye.
You know these shirts that just have like random people on it? Like what cartoon is this? What show is this even from?
This. Who is this? Who are you and why do I have a shirt of you? And
Rawr. She said safari vibes. Why do I have this? I used to have a phase where I was like, no matter what shirt you would give to me, I would just take it. I'm holding underwear. Whatever shirt you give me, I would just take it. Whatever shirt you would give me, I would just take it because I had like really bad acne. They said like to change your pillowcase like every day or every other day, and I'm like, I don't want to waste pillowcases. So what I would do is I would take like clean t-shirts, like even if it's like an ugly t-shirt, and that's where I'd like put my head on at night because like to avoid, I know, to avoid like getting my face in bacteria. Doesn't really work. I've collected like mountains of t-shirts and now I regret it. There's a mountain forming right over here. Shiny purple high-waisted. Will I wear it? Definitely, yeah. In 5th grade, I remember this shirt that says, "You're just not my type." I would wear this and I would feel like such a mean, powerful person. I'd be like, "You're just not my type. I don't like boys." Time to make some labels. This is my beautiful label maker. Would you look at that? Look how cute! Mom, yeah. Pretend it's the first time you see it, okay?
Okay. I think I will block out any person I see.
Wow!
Yeah.
See that?
Oh, I know label.
There you guys have it. That is me decluttering my entire closet. There is a gigantic box outside, and then I'm gonna throw in everything that is for donation in there. So I hope you guys have been inspired or motivated to do your own decluttering during this quarantine. And yeah, stay indoors if you can, keep safe, and always criticize your government. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. You probably hated this video, but that's okay. Please like it and then unlike it if you realize you don't like it, and then like it again because you realize you feel sorry for me. Bye! This is so awkward. I don't know how to do outros. Goodbye. Please subscribe. Also, please go follow Miggy on Instagram and Twitter. So here's your shout out, Miggy. I would like to end this video with a statement from our president.
Do not hesitate to attack me, criticize me if I do wrong in my job. It is your duty to your country. As I have